Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Outlook. This is a really useful feature when you need to collaborate with colleagues or give someone access to specific emails without forwarding everything individually. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load in your emails and folders. You'll need everything to be properly synced before you can start sharing folders with others. Once your email has loaded completely, it's time to locate the folder you want to share. Navigate to your inbox pane where all your folders are displayed. This is usually on the left side of your screen. Look through the list and find the specific folder you wish to share, then click on it to select it. After you've selected your folder, shift your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. From here, click on the Folder tab. This tab contains all the options you need to manage your folders, including sharing permissions. Under the Folder menu, look for the Folder Permissions option and click on it. This will open your folder property window where you can control who has access to this folder and what they can do with it. Now from here, to share and set access to your folder, simply click on the Add button. A contacts window will appear showing you all your available contacts. Take a moment to select which contact you wish to share this folder with. Click on the contact's email address to select it, then click on Add at the bottom part of the window. Once you've added the contact, click on OK to confirm your selection. You'll see the email address you just added appear on the list of people who have access to this folder. Now comes an important part. Look at the permission level drop-down menu. This is where you decide exactly what level of access you want to grant this contact. You might choose options like editor, reviewer, or author depending on how much control you want them to have over the folder's contents. Choose the permission level that best fits your needs, then click on Apply to save these settings. And that's it. You've successfully shared a folder in Outlook and set the appropriate permissions for your contact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.